Hi, I'm Brian. Today we're going to be running a songwriting workshop with kids. We're going to start off by picking a theme for the song. We'll brainstorm some lyrics, we'll pick some melodies and rhythms and help them create their own song from their own original ideas.
What words come into your head when you think of family?
Everything.
Everything. Okay. What other words?
Red and blue. And rainbow. And rainbow.
Rainbows remind you of your family?
Yeah.
Do they?
Yeah.
Oh, don't you have any words that remind you of your family?
And I love my daddy because his name is Arno. I love everyone. Yeah.
Oh, the guy that was bringing everyone.
Yeah. I love everyone.
Right. With your auntie. Okay, very good.
Really? Your auntie goes climbing the trees?
Climbing in the trees.
And my other auntie, Emma.
And bring her wheelchair up in the trees.
Yeah. I like bedtime stories with my mommy, daddy, and me. My Giga.
Right, so the next thing we're going to do, guys, is we're going to try and get a melody for the song, okay?
Okay.
And a melody is...
Yeah, it's like when you get it's like part of the song to go along with it.
Yeah.
Yes, it's kind of like the music and the notes of the song, I suppose. Okay, did you find something you like, Jamie? Did you find one you like? That one?
Dad.
What's your note? Did you pick it?
Yep.
Okay, so that's E. Great.
D.
D? Yeah, you sure?
It's the start of my name.
Okay, alright. E, then D, then G. Okay, so that's... Okay, everybody sit down again. Yeah.
Trees.
That does, yeah, that'll do with sleep. That'll go together. Guys, repeat after me. Family is everything.
Family is everything.
That's what it means to me.
That's what it means to me.
Breakfast in the morning.
Breakfast in the morning.
Bedtime stories before sleep.
Bedtime stories before sleep.
Family is everything. That's what it means to me. Chilling on a sunny day, riding bikes and climbing trees. Family is everything. That's what it means to me. Breakfast in the morning, bedtime stories before we sleep. Family is everything. That's what it means to me. And chilling on a sunny day, riding bikes and climbing trees. Good job, guys. So we've done some brainstorming, got some lyrics together. We've got the kids playing some melodies and figured out some chords with them. And now we're going to go and see if we can record the song and see how it goes. Sisters, brothers and mummies and daddies, uncles and aunties and granddads and grannies. Yeah. Wait. No change. No. Now back to here.
Can you play along to my doubts?
Alright.
Breakfast in the morning, bedtime stories before we sleep. Mummies and daddies, uncles and aunties. This is what happened when we all sing along.
Together we wrote our own family song.